Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. We are the group 4, and today we are going to present to you our 80% development of our game. So before we proceed on our presentation, let's have a brief background about our game. So our title is Jeepney Dash, and we have two members. And my name is I am Hortilano Mark Allen L.
And I am Leo Angelo E. Perez.
And we are group 4. And for our character is a
Hi there.
jeepney that inspired by Filipino vehicle. Weaving through traffic and dodging obstacle while collecting coins as much as possible. And this will be our obstacle. We have the barrier, pit, or manhole, cone, and also a moving truck. And this will be our collecting coin. And our level 1 map, level 2 map, and our level 3 map. And previously on our 60%, so we discussed the level 1, level 2, level 3, and also we have a main menu. We have the start button, settings, exit, and lastly is we add a game over screen. So today, what we add on our game development is a leaderboard. So sa atin pong leaderboard, nandito po lahat yung score ng mga player na naglaro po sa ating game, kung gaano po kadami yung nakolekta nilang points throughout the game. And when we click the start, makikita nyo na meron tayong leaderboard button sa baba. And bago tayo dumako dyan, so nag-add din kami ng name input ng player. Now, when you click the start, hindi siya mag-automatically start, but magkakaroon siya ng kailangan ng player na mag-enter ng pangalan nila. Like for example, naglagay ako ng pangalan, Jed. Like for example, hindi ako naglagay ng pangalan. So when I click the start, magkakaroon siya ng error. It says name required. No? And let's click now the leaderboard. As you can see, meron po tayong trial and error na mga players sa leaderboard. So ito po yung mga total coins na nakuha nila. And our leaderboard is connected to our database. So our database is Silent Wolf. It is a free database application kung saan pwede tayong makapag-store ng atin pong mga uh, mga result po ng ating game. So let's wait. Medyo mabagal lang ang ating leaderboard. Ayan. So kung makikita nyo dito, we have the player name, a score, the time and date kung kailan po sila naglaro. And also, we have an action dito na kung saan pwede nating i-delete yung mga player information. sa atin pong game. So, let's try po na maglaro sa ating game. So, let's try a name, Jed. And then we click start. So, it will automatically start. Also, let's retry. So, as you can see, now we adjust po yung movement po ng ating jeepney. Isa rin po yung sa mga modification na ginawa natin. And also the uh, ah, let's adjust the spawn interval. As you can see, binawasan din po natin yung speed ng ating jeepney so that player can maintain kung paano po nila i-avoid yung atin pong mga obstacle. So like for example po, namatay po kayo on level 1, no? But you don't want to submit uh, your final score. So magkakaroon lang po tayo ng tatlong trial na pwede kayong mag-retry. No, tatlong beses lang po kayo pwede mag-retry. And after that, that will be your final score. No? So like for example, nakatatlong trial na po kayo and then your final score will be 11. So in order for you to be in the leaderboard, you need to click submit. No, once po nakinlik niyo yung submit, and when you click the leaderboard, and your name will pop up on the leaderboard. And another features po is when you pass level 1, level 2, and level 3, and you finish the line, no, it will automatically uh, give you the final score and also will put you in the leaderboard. So, yun po yung mga features po na in-add namin throughout our game. And ano pa ba yun na nangyari? And also, dun po sa amin pong mga obstacle, nilagyan po namin ito ng moving forward, yung ating pong mga barrier. So, kung mapapansin nyo po sa amin pong level 2, on our level 2, so yung atin pong barrier is moving. We adjust also the light, the light of the jeepney para po mas kahit pa paano maging visible naman siya to the player. So, that's all for now. Ang mga kulang na lang po namin is the music and also the settings menu. And after that, okay na po yung atin pong game. And that's all for our 80% development of our game. Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.